Hi, good afternoon. It's me again. I just want to give you an update with this footpath, concrete footpath. I mean, so I already put a shutter as a level of concrete finish. So the string line above is the concrete finish. So I have to backfill those lowest portion. So as you can see, this is the finish of concrete. So I have to put the soil to fill this area to the required level, and this is the face of a channel. So basically this is the wall of a channel, and then we have a like a 90 mil channel here. So that's about 50 from the post. So I'm gonna start from this bottom. So probably gonna pour concrete probably Sunday. So I have to do this stage by stage. So once I put the shutter on this side here, then I can pour the concrete. Yeah, it's so muddy, so it's quite difficult to work in this area because of it's raining. But anyway, I'm quite happy with my progress today. Yeah, it's already, by the way, today is 17th of July 2020, and today is Friday, and the time now is 5 p.m. So it's raining now, so I have to stop and continue on Sunday. Yeah, because tomorrow we have some sort of a family get together, so I won't work tomorrow. Alright, to my subscribers, viewers, and other people watching my YouTube channel, thank you for watching this video. I hope you pick up something that you can use in your project. So as a quality control, I'm just doing it as much as precise, especially for the level of concrete. I'm not a perfectionist, but I want to make it in good quality. As I work, as like what I said before, I work as quality control inspector in my previous projects in oil and gas project. So I apply the same principle here. So I make things good quality finish, quality workmanship. Okay, I think that's about it for today. So bye for now. God bless, and thanks for watching this YouTube channel, and see you next time, hopefully Sunday. Bye for now. Please be safe.